that your brother? Is that your brother? Yeah, Johnny. 30 seconds.
Nuts or what?
I wish I was that small. Look at it, it's chest high.
I'm gonna send him this route, then I'll let him go.
I know. Now, I'll take him if you want me to. He's all stoked. Look at him. He's like, this is the longest I've ever ridden. I'd be super stoked too if I could circle wave that big all the time. He's got it now. Well, our time just got cut in half. We dreaded this day. That's why I keep telling the kids, that's fine, don't learn. More time for me. Good job, Johnny.